Let's start this morning taking a live look from 27th and Douglas. Our tower cam showing that beautiful sunrise this morning out over Omaha. Maybe noting just a little bit of haze on the horizon. Temperatures starting off pretty mild, 40 degrees right now. Still mostly sunny, a few high level clouds, but we're also seeing air quality not quite ideal. That haze that you're seeing is dragging us down to moderate air quality for Omaha, Council Bluffs, and Lincoln as of 7:15 a.m. this morning. What that means for you is if you were extra sensitive to some of that smoke, maybe limit that time outdoors. But I don't think it's going to be even as bad as it was yesterday with that moderate to unhealthy for sensitive groups. Let me show you why. As we head throughout the morning, those gusty winds actually going to help with some of that lower atmosphere mixing. We're going to get a little bit of a break. Could still see some of that haze, especially as we head into this afternoon and evening. But as far as that air quality concern goes, you should have some improvement. Now, unfortunately, those gusty winds not just helping us today with that air quality, they're also hindering us. We're going to see an increased risk for fire danger. In fact, critical fire danger for all our counties here in the red. It's pretty expansive. Does include now most of eastern Kansas and nearly all of central and western Missouri. 12 p.m. until 7 o'clock this afternoon. Gusts possible in excess of 35 miles an hour. Going to start and spread those fires very rapidly. Even not in this red flag warning, Omaha, you'll still see that elevated risk, just not quite meeting that critical threshold yet. As we head into your afternoon, expecting gusts, look at this, nearly 50 miles an hour for some of us. 47 mile per hour gusts this morning in Omaha possible, and nearly 50 miles an hour for Plattsmouth. Heading into this afternoon, they'll calm just a little bit. Still staying strong though through this evening, as well as overnight tonight and into your Wednesday. That's what's going to drive these temperatures up. 74 today, very warm, very much above average with that critical fire danger. Please be extra careful. 71 tomorrow, 76. Still shy of a new record though for Tuesday. And then by Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, we could see showers and a few isolated storms as temperatures begin to drop.